Hi everyone, my name is Mike Olson, the Chief Executive Officer for Westerner Park. Just wanted to welcome you to the Westerner Park Centrium today. We wanted to give you a preview as to the improvements that have been made here. To my right is Curtis Martinick, the project manager that helped us from the City of Red Deer. And yeah, we just wanted to give you a sense of the changes that have been made here. So I guess first off, we want to acknowledge the City of Red Deer as our major funding party that helped facilitate the changes to our Centrium, which were really important for certainly one, extending the life of the Centrium, but obviously, as you can see as well, getting the feel and the improvement to the facility so that it generates a bit more excitement. Certainly leading into the National Junior Camp coming up, but also more importantly the World Juniors in 2021 and 2022. Really welcoming the world and making sure that the arena is up to the standards that we need. So Curtis, I think we started in July of this year, and you know, maybe give me a sense of some of the major changes that we've made.
Well, as you can see behind us, the seats were the first thing that came out. Removed all the seats, all the old green seats, and we repainted all the bleachers, the metal bleachers down below, all the handrails, everything painted out, get rid of all that green that we had in here. Next thing that came down was the old score clock. The old score clock went up over on the carvery. Got some new LED boards around the facility, did some upgrades to the carvery, and also built another change room downstairs as well for the World Juniors when they come.
Great, so even in that change, we've had the chance to address the size and have enough dressing rooms so that we could host the bubble camp for the National Junior team, because that's quite a few players. So as I say, they'll be here. It's a bubble, so unfortunately the public can't be in here, but TSN will be broadcasting various components of the event, and you know, as simple as that change may have been on the dressing room, an important one so that we had the chance to host an event to that level. The old score clock, some people may have felt, well, geez, why did that need changing? And you know, the problem with it is that they just really didn't make parts for that one anymore. So then I think the other efficiency that you'd find is with the new score clock, that allows Westerner Park a lot more flexibility in some of the more major events that it operates, such as the Canadian Finals Rodeo, where we don't need to bring in a whole production team now to really have that event be to the level that's expected, where the technology that now we have in place gives us that advantage. So it does save a lot of money on an ongoing basis. Obviously, some of these changes, I mean, it gives it its facelift, but there's some, you know, I guess, tactical reasons that, for example, black seats are installed. It certainly is a powerful color, but it also helps on television so that you know, if you do happen to have an empty seat, it doesn't seem as obvious, so it kind of gives those reasons. And you know, with the seats themselves, they're an upgrade from our previous versions, where we've got drink holders, they're all padded, and really that just adds to the fan experience, and really just trying to get people better value for their money. We look forward to welcoming the community back. Certainly with Rebels hockey, the outlook and the projected date is first part of January, and we'll see. We'll do everything we have to make sure that everything's as safe as possible, but with whatever those COVID limitations are, we'll dictate how many fans we can have in the facility. So regardless, the community will hear from us on what the final product looks like. But as you can see, it's pretty much game ready, and we'll welcome the National Junior team to get the ice started to be warmed up here right away.